Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start and prioritize important messages in the Gmail application on your phone. So let's get started. So if you want to mark your messages as important, or you want to have a quicker access to them once you mark them, you can start and set the messages as important. To start them, you simply find the message you want to start rather, and once you start it, it's kind of like a important favorite message, and then you can go to menu, tap on start, and here you have the list of starred messages. So it kind of separates them from the other messages. It could be useful if you want to have some important messages in one inbox without others kind of distracting you. Also, you can set messages as important, and we have also this important category, so you can also separate them that way. So if you go to the email box and you want to set some email as important, you simply open it, then tap on the more options icon in the top right corner and tap mark as important. And once you mark it as important, it will be right here in this important label, basically. Here we have it. It is important now. That's how you can like separate them from other messages. You can also go to the settings of your account. So select the account you're using and then tap on inbox type. And here we have default inbox, important first, unread first, start first, and priority inbox. If you select start first and go back, the start messages label will appear right here at the top next to the inbox. And I believe it will basically let you separate them quite quicker. So you can just check the start messages right here. You have two inboxes at the top and you can browse between them. Same for the important messages. So if you go to the settings again, your account, inbox type, and select important first, go back, go to the inbox, and as you can see, the important messages will appear right here at the top instead of start, and you can simply switch between inboxes right here. In the browser, I believe you can also have both inboxes like at the same time opened. In the app, you can't really do that. So that also will add to the convenience factor. And basically, that's how you start and mark the messages as important in the Gmail application. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.